Namaste. My name is Anil Bansal. I have here a proclamation made by the Governor of the State of New York, Andrew Cuomo, declaring August 15, 2020 as India Independence Day. It is my privilege to read this proclamation to you. Here we go. State of New York, Executive Chamber, Proclamation. Whereas the people of the Empire State have a long-standing tradition of acknowledging significant milestones and events of historical importance celebrated by the many communities that contribute to our state's cultural mosaic and foundation of strength. And whereas it was 73 years ago, at the stroke of midnight, on August 15, 1947, that India achieved independence under the provisions of the Indian Independence Act of 1947, marking the beginning of its identity as a sovereign nation. And whereas annually, on August 15, people with ancestral ties to the Republic of India living here in New York State and throughout the globe reflect upon and celebrate their ancient culture and history by commemorating the anniversary of this occasion with festive events. And whereas this state is proud to be the site of events which celebrate our diversity and as home of many people with ancestral roots tracing back to the country of India, the annual observance of India Independence Day provides an excellent opportunity for all New Yorkers to learn more about the rich heritage, history, and culture of India, and the significant contributions Indian Americans have made to our state and nation. And whereas all New Yorkers are pleased to take the opportunity to join in extending best wishes to our Indian American friends and neighbors as they commemorate this historical milestone of the 73rd anniversary of India's independence. Now, therefore, I, Andrew M. Cuomo, Governor of the State of New York, do hereby proclaim August 15, 2020 as India Independence Day, given under my hand and privy seal of the State of New York, Andrew Cuomo. Namaskar. Thank you.